Dear students, welcome all of you to my new video lesson about cash flow statement. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare cash flow statement from investing activities. Cash flow statement from investing activities. In the last classes we have learned how to prepare the cash flow statement first part operating activity and the second part is B part cash flow from investing activity and it includes activities related to purchase and sale of fixed asset. You know very well, fixed asset include tangible asset and intangible asset. So remember how to adjust the items in investing activity. So, investing activity includes purchase and sale of long-term asset or fixed asset. Remember, fixed asset include tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible assets such as machinery, furniture, land, building, plant, etc. Computer, vehicles are there. And intangible asset include goodwill, patents, trademark, lot of items are there. So it is the format how to prepare the section cash flow from investing activity. Remember what are the items are received and what are the items are expenses. So every time cash receipt from disposal means sale of fixed asset is positive. It is an income inflow. Cash payment to acquire or purchase of fixed asset is payment, outflow of cash. Then cash receipt from a repayment of advance or loans. Repayment of advance or loans by third party to the firm, that is receipt. Suppose once the company is giving some amount as advance or loans to a third party, after the maturity period, they are giving back. They are giving back at that time it is receipt. When they are paying to acquire shares, warrants, debt instrument of other company, it is outflow. When the company is investing in other firms' share, warrant, debt instruments, then it is outflow of cash. Also, when they are receiving back that amount invested in share, warrant, debenture after the maturity period, when they are receiving cash receipt of such items, it is inflow of cash. Also, another outflow item is there cash advance and loans made to a third party. Also remember, interest received in cash from that type of loans and advances given to the third party is known as it is inflow. Interest received is inflow, dividend received is inflow. Remember, interest paid to bank loan debenture will never take into investing activity because it is related to financing activity. Remember, we will never take interest paid or dividend paid in investing activity. It will be recorded in the third part of cash flow from financing activity. So this is the format of cash flow from investing activity. We are going to solve one problem. Then we will develop the concept regarding the cash flow statement from investing. So in this case, amount of interest received on debenture is given, dividend received is given, interest paid on bank loans is given, dividend paid on share is also given. Also, machinery purchased sold is given, land purchased and sold is given, goodwill sold is given, and trademark purchased is given. How to adjust the items? Interest received is an inflow of cash. It will be taken into investing activity. Dividend received is also inflow of cash. But remember, interest paid on bank loan, dividend paid on shareholder, all these items, these two items will come under cash flow from financing activity. So no need to take two items in investing activity. And machinery purchased is an outflow of cash. machinery sold is an inflow of cash. Goodwill purchased, there is no amount is here, only sold amount is here. It is a receipt of or inflow of cash. Land purchased is outflow, land sold is inflow, and a trademark purchased is also outflow of cash. So, how to adjust the items in investing activity? So, in this cash flow statement from investing activity, we have noted the positive figures, all receipt or inflow of sale of machinery, sale of land, then sale of goodwill is noted. Remember, every time I am telling there is any negative item or deducting item, we have to put that value inside the bracket, because that indicates it is a negative figure. We have to deduct it. So cash payment to purchase machinery, purchase land, and purchase trademark or outflow of cash. So it is noted inside the bracket. And as I said, interest received on debenture, dividend received on shares is taken as positive figure, and we will never take the interest paid and dividend paid. So after adjusting all these items, we will get net cash inflow from investing activity, that is 4,20,000. So remember how to adjust. This is a basic problem, and in the next lesson we will we will meet together to solve problems by opening and preparing some fixed asset account and accumulated depreciation account, some hot level questions from the area cash flow from investing activity. So up to that time, develop your concept regarding the basic format of investing activity, how to prepare the investing activity, what are the items to be taken and not to be taken into investing activity. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.